Try out the iPhone hidden chat feature. Do you want to chat with someone without third party or without any app intervene? Then try out this secret feature I want to use. This goes well for iPhone user. So go to your notepad and tap on it. So tap on this plus new conversation button. Then tap on any good message that's like good morning or good morning like this or good afternoon. Tap on this share icon. Once tap on the share icon, it comes up like this. Here you have options here. Make sure you select collaboration. Now here is a new option and you want to send a message. Tap on message button here. Now it comes up like this. Tap on this plus icon to select that fellow you want to send message to. Let me search for this guy. Now tap on this button. It comes up like this. Tap on this send button. Once you send it and the fellow join, then you can start chatting from here. You can tap on this and see so many things you can attach. You can you can find an attachment, small and large. You have so many things you can do. You can use video call, audio. You can as well do so many things on this platform. If you enjoyed this, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.